How do you feel about this project we got going on, huh? That's what I was thinking too.
So I heard if you give a cat an egg, it'll take care of it because it knows how fragile the egg is.
Hello! Psych! Hello, motherfucker.
And to the people, what are your thoughts on racism?
Capta. The Queen is coming.
That's my boy. No, my boy! Father.
Are you happy you got up to the tall place, you little monster?
Chester, look at me.
God damn, Bella, you got that dump truck.
I got this new straightener, and I don't know if I should return it or not.
Mina, what do you have? Please say you killed it. Mina, you need to go outside. Please say it's dead, please say it's dead, please. It's not dead!
Oh my god, dude.
Okay, listen, you need to oh my god. No! Oh no!
Hi, Herbert. Sonny, look at the... Holy shit, that's scary. Sonny.
Oh!
How those are my Cheetos! What are you doing? Today. Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Dang, Orange. You trying to get the fan like that? Oh, poor baby. Ay, qué bonita. Qué bonita, qué bonita.
Come on, go.
Before I got a cat, I didn't know that I wanted a shit buddy, okay? But I have one now, and he just sits here while I'm doing my business, and I appreciate it.
You suck at this game.
I don't know why you're looking at me. I'm not gonna help you.
Oh, hello! Oh, how's everyone doing today?
What's so awesome about my bed is that I don't have to worry about monsters. Because there is no possible way for a monster to get under my bed. So there's absolutely...
So I heard if you give a cat an egg, it'll take care of it because it knows how fragile the egg is.
You want food?
Who are you? Oh, I don't have a cat.
Толя не умеет забирать ветчину из рук.
Pull the lever, Gronk.
Let me spank that butt. 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 Whoa.
Oh, it's a 9.2.
Hey Stella, can I have a kiss? That seemed really long. Oh my gosh!
What are you wearing right now? Right now, I'm wearing everything expensive, everything exclusive, and everything icy. I don't want to say too much because I don't want nobody biting.
I need some chips. Who's that?
This is my manager.
Oh.
Yo manager. Whoa, makara.
Manager.
Bean, no. Stop. You know what? That's really crazy. I thought that I got my blankets and pillows all set up for me. My mistake, it's for you. My apologies.
What are you watching? Huh? What are you watching? How dare you?
Every time I meow, he freaks out.
I am sorry, I don't speak English very good. But I am speaking English 50-50.
Can I help you? No. Be nice. Stop.
Is this a joke? Is this a joke? Bro, this is a whole ham. Back off. Not for you.
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood. Teeth like razors to suck the meat from your bone.
Victor! Vic!
What the heck?
Hey baby.
So every time we hit our water ball, our cat comes charging at it and attacks it. So we did it on purpose this time to see what he would do. Does anyone else's cat do this?
Are you hungry? Oh, really? What? And what else?
Baby, it's okay.
She's not gifted.
Sometimes I like to lay on the floor and stretch out and show everyone my belly because who doesn't love a big chub like me? I'm chunky and I know it.
Are you? At this time you are sleeping. It's not possible. No. Get up.
Oh, this one's taken. This one's taken.
Let me in. I forgot the key.
Stop touching her, dude. She's gonna smack you. She's gonna keep smacking you.
Luna. Bubby. She doesn't know I'm here yet. Hi, baby. I'm sorry. Nice to see you.
Who's got the cutest pet on the internet? I have this one.
Guys, I'm hearing something in my shower. I think I heard somebody break in.
Okay, Barbie! No, this isn't even a real Barbie. You've got a real Barbie at home that Santa gave you a few weeks ago. I'm a fat Barbie. I'm not a skinny Barbie. She's not fat. She's body positive.
Get out of there. What the
Update.
Come on.
We're doing it. Elevator. Beep, 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 beep. There we go.
Stop this madness. What do you want from me? Ah, what do you want? Please!
Hello. Good morning. Good morning. I can only see your eyeball. Can someone explain to me why my cat sleeps like this? Huh?
So my cat just scratched my face wide open and is now dead asleep on my lap. You can do anything you want when you cute as shit. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Go back to sleep. I'm so sorry.
Cokie. Are you gonna be good Cokie? Or are you gonna be a bad Cokie? Please, please, spare me. Ah!